Right now, I'm in one of the remote villages in Africa, and today I'm gonna show you around. It's in the evening. As you can see, it's not that bright enough. Jambo Rafiki, if you're new in this channel, welcome to Rebecca Vlogs. This village practices subsistence farming. They grow crops and they rear animals. The crop you are seeing here is cassava, but they also have more. You will also see maize plants, and you can also see chicken roaming here as well. Passion tree is also here, although it has not blossomed yet. And they also keep papaya plants, sugarcane plants, as well as aloe vera for its medicinal purposes. Right next to the farm section, there is a pit here. This pit here is our trash can. It's about 20 feet deep and 4 feet wide. And the kids here are careful enough to play around this dangerous pit. Inside, you can see that there is plastic waste. Moving on, I am now going to show you the village latrine. This is our African toilet that we normally use around here. We don't have tiles, we don't have shower, we don't have taps. Water, if you want to get water, we go get water just far away from here. It even takes you 30 minutes to go for water so that you can come and use it in the toilet. Come and see this. No, just a lesson. So this is where we take our shower, and this is where we also urinate, if I may say, or even take a bath. Our toilet is just simple as that. Right outside the toilet, you'll find more cassava planted. And if you look above my head, you will notice this hanging line for drying clothes. This is what we call makuti. In this area, you can get makutis at a cheaper price. And normally people around here, they prefer this because, money here is not... Money here is scarce, so we need to find ways how we can work it together, and so that we can get a shelter too. This is just udongo. This, and also they normally say pregnant women, they normally eat this. It tastes earthly. Should I say earthly or something? Like, if you're watching this, just tell me where you're watching from. I would like to know which country you are watching from, and you tell me whether it is also the same on your country, that women take this when they get pregnant or not. I don't know. You see this? They say that the moment they are pregnant, the moment the pregnant mothers eat it, they feel good. I don't know, it's because their dopamine levels are satisfied or something, but something is connected. I don't know, it's iron or zinc is lacking in their body or something, but let me know what you're thinking about this, okay? Yeah. Now, join me as I walk into this open space. We have 5 houses encompassing a common space. You see this? This is a weekend. It's on a Saturday, and we did our laundry. We also have maize plants over here. Actually, wait. We have cassava, we have maize plants, maize, corn. We really love corn around here. When we have maize, we take it to is it sawmill? Is it sawmill, or what do we get? The maize flour that is natural, and we make the ugali that is really strong using this maize, See this? We love the maize. And we also have papaya tree, but it's still young. Papaya tree. I also love pawpaw fruits. Are really good too. Oh Wow, this is so good. I also love sugarcane juice, by the way. You see the leaves, the roots, and it is tied together using this so that it can grow really well in the right position, you know. Yeah, and so around here during this time, normally in the evenings, there are normally a lot of mosquitoes, and that's why we normally use this type of net. You see this? I don't know what you use on your end when there is mosquitoes in your home. Let me know what you use. Is it mosquito coils or mosquito nets? Whatever the case. We have aloe vera over here. Aloe vera, aloe vera. Aloe vera, it really has a lot of benefits to the hair, to the body, to the skin. And they also say whenever you're sick, and I was told by one of the doctors around here that whenever you have high blood pressure, you can just take a piece of this aloe vera, you cut it, and the moment you cut it, you go and boil the pieces into a sufuria. After 15 minutes, you drink the water that the aloe vera boiled with it. The moment you take it for 2 days straight, just a cup of, you know, of the solution, then that's when your high blood pressure returns to normal. I don't know whether it works, but on this area of ours, we believe that it works because there are some people who have tried it out. I don't know whether on your end you believe it's true or not. So stay tuned and tell me where you're watching from. Tell me where you are right now. It is currently 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so I'm going to show you. These are just empty plastics. Maybe let me go around. On that other side, you see, we don't have much space around here, so we use the space that is available to, you know, to hang our clothes like that. We just try to do our best.